Hi guys, I have my boy in focus. Today I will be reviewing my step-by-step guide, my pro tips for mastering the perfect shadow fade. I will be using this highly transparent clipper from WMark. My kickoff is with number 2 guard. The lever handle set to the 0 position. I'm starting off around the temple peak area to set my first initial guideline. As I move on, I make sure that I maintain consistency throughout the entire process. As I proceed further, I will be dropping the guideline slightly below the occipital bone. Guys, make sure that you keep the surface of your workplace as neat as possible. My next step is with 0.5 guard. The lever handle is set at 3/4 position. Although this process is to create a transition into the panel that I have created with number 1 guard lever close. My next step is with 1.5 guard. The lever handle is set to the full lever position and I'm creating a 1-inch guideline into the process. Always make sure that you follow the existing guideline. Don't go out of your position. Now, using the number 2 guard with the lever at the full position. At this point, I'm using the guard under the knuckle techniques to lift about 1 inch into the longer hair, making sure that my client hair shape remains the priority. Here, I continue with the same process, using the number 3 guard, making sure that my client hair shape remains the top priority as I continue flicking into the longer hair. As you can see, there is a visible line between number 2 and 1.5 guard. Now, with 1.5 guard, I set the lever to the full lever position. Here, I make sure that the guard is laid flat and facing up, using only the guard under the knuckles to take out the edge line, creating a smooth transition. Keep the surface of the workplace as neat as possible. This is 1 guard. The handle is at full lever position. Here, I begin at exact point. I started with the initial guideline. What I'm basically doing is to complete every guide length that I have skipped away during the initial process. You know, I started off with number 1 lever close. Now I'm stretching up the blade to connect with 1.5 guard. Guys, always remember to brush 1 and fade 1. Keep the surface of the workplace as neat as possible. I continue with the same process using 0.5 guard, the handle at full lever position, making some major changes to the lever as I fade down, using the corners of the blade to create a nice transition. As you can see, the fade is coming together. There is a bunch of bulky hair around this area. Switching back to number 2 guard, I'm dropping the lever to the 0 position. Here, I'm using the guard knuckles and corners to attack at least 75% of the bulk. Switching back to number 1 guard. Here, I'm basically removing any dark spot I could see, creating a more polished transition. Guys, this is something every barber should know how to use. Clipper over comb is a must-have as a barber. It takes the work to the next level. I will be making some basic trimming, making sure that everything lays to the desired length, although my client does not want me to take too much away from the top. Guys, this clipper is one of the cheapest clipper in the market today, but it gets the job done, not really because of the performance of the clipper, but the hand that handles the clipper produces the result. For some of the students out there who are still learning the course to become a better barber, my advice to you is to believe in yourself and stay in focus as you hope to achieve your dreams. The goal may be the same, but the rate is not. This is the cut. If you like it, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, Classic Barber Academy, for more tutorials like this and product review. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.